Hello and welcome back to another great session, Snowflake Schema. This is another multidimensional schema within dimensional modeling. Let's learn what is that Snowflake schema. A Snowflake schema is an extension of a star schema. Okay, so and it adds additional dimensions. It is called a snowflake because its diagram resembles a snowflake. As you can see here in this diagram, right, so the location and the country are the two normalized tables for the dimension table, a dealer. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the dealer table and the location county country are the two normalized tables for the dimension table dealer. The dimension tables are normalized, which split data into additional tables. In the following example, the country is further normalized into an individual table where it contains the country ID and the country name columns, while the country ID serves as a foreign key. Here the country ID would serve as a foreign key between these two tables. All right, so let's move on with what are the different characteristics of Snowflake schema. The main benefit of Snowflake schema, it uses smaller disk space. This is because data is highly structured, so there is no gap within the data. That's how it consumes a very smaller disk space. It's easier to implement a dimension that is added to the schema. You can keep adding the new dimension as and when is needed. That's why it's easy to implement. Okay, what is the third reason? Due to multiple tables, query performance is reduced. Since you have multiple tables, right, the queries will have to execute with the join conditions. The performance is obviously reduced compared to star schema. The next point is the primary challenge, that you will face while using the Snowflake schema is that you need to perform more maintenance efforts because of the more lookup tables. As I explained, more lookup tables, more management of information. So this is about Snowflake schema. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this session. So I will see you in the next chapter. Thank you.